Science is the poetry of reality. The art of science is to ask the right questions. The Magnificent Science Museum is located in the heart of Karachi. The Magnificent Science Museum is a premier science center that ignites curiosity and fosters scientific literacy. This museum is a testament to the power of science and education. Magnificent Museum has been founded by the Dawood Foundation. Dawood Foundation was established by Ahmed Dawood, a visionary entrepreneur and philanthropist. His legacy continues to inspire generations through this magnificent museum. Unfortunately, his son, Sulaiman Dawood, tragically lost his life in the 2008 Titan submersible implosion incident while attempting to view the wreckage of the Titanic. The museum is situated in the railway corridor of Sadr, Karachi, and spans across 4 floors. With over 400 exhibits of the various fields including mathematics, physics, biology, health, environment, astronomy, space sciences, showcases various scientific disciplines and technological advancements. The museum has a play area for kids and a food court serving delicious meals. The Magnificent Science Museum Karachi is a hub for science enthusiasts, inspiring curiosity and creativity. As you explore the wonders of science and technology, remember, the universe is full of magical things, patiently waiting for our senses to grow sharper. Visit the museum and unlock the secrets of the universe. Curiosity is the wick in the candle of learning.